Hi everyone, this is Kamel. As your ultimate source of video editing, we are here to share with you some useful editing tips and techniques that could boost your video creation and take it to the next level. But before we start, make sure you free download the software through the link we put in the description box down below. Alright, now let's get into today's video. When watching videos on YouTube and social media, have you ever noticed any small design tricks? These interesting tricks can make the videos more engaging. So in this video, I'm gonna bring you 3 common and easy editing tricks. With these tricks, you can easily spice up your video. We can often see the big head effects in variety shows. It can highlight the funny moments and make us laugh. The good news is, we can easily add a big head effect to our own videos inside the VideoProc plugin. Launch up the software. Start a new project. Add a recorded footage to VideoProc plugin. Drag it onto VideoTrack. Go to the upper left to find the effects. Select it. There we have many presets to choose from. In this case, we want to get a bigger head, so we want to use the magnifier effect. Drag it onto Effect Track. Use our mouse to adjust its length and duration. On the right, we can find the Properties menu under the Inspector panel. Herein, we can move these sliders to adjust many parameters for getting the wanted result. Let's preview the outcome. This is not funny enough. Let's add a sound effect to match the big head. Drag the sound effect clip onto audio track. Line up the audio with the first frame of the magnifying effect. When everything gets finished, let's check out the outcome. When editing videos, we can play with some exaggerated editing tricks to emphasize one's facial expression. Zoom in is a great tool to help us achieve this purpose. Import the recorded video to the software. Drag it onto the video track. Find the motion icon on the toolbar. Select it to enter the motion editor panel. Let's preview the video. Adding the zoom in effect at the point the man is taking off the glasses might bring us a pretty nice outcome. Click on Add. Now we add 2 keyframes. Have a look at the result. The entire zoom-in process happens too slowly and the range looks overlarge. Let's adjust the keyframes. I want a zoom-in effect to end at this point for making an emotional impact. So here I select the second keyframe and drag it to here at this point. Then adjust the specific parameters. After that, move the playhead to the last frame. Find Add keyframe. Select it to generate the third keyframe. The parameter settings for this is the same as the second keyframe. This can ensure there won't be jump frames after the end of the zoom effect. Click on Apply to go back to the main interface. Let's import an exaggerated sound effect for matching the zoom-in effect. Drag it onto audio track and make the audio line up with the frames that show the man is taking off the glasses. Have a look at the outcome. Suppose you have a video that records few moments like this. You can add it with a freeze frame effect to turn embarrassment into fun. Add this video clip to the program. Drag it onto VideoTrack. Move the playhead to the point that shows the start of the fill moment. Press M to add a marker at this position. Then find a camera button on the top right. Click on it to save a snapshot of the current frame. Then let's move the playhead to the new frame and save it as a snapshot in the same way. Then we create a snapshot for the frame next by. Last, let's move the playhead to the frame that shows the girl is falling on the ground completely. Press the shortcut M to add a marker. Then select the camera button. Now we get 4 pictures. Drag them all onto the software. We need a smooth transition from the freeze frame to the video. So here we click on Split to separate the segment in between 2 markers. Remove it off. Then drag these 4 pictures onto VideoProc by turn. Adjust the length for each picture. Now, let's take a look at the outcome. I bet it can make our audiences laugh. Moreover, we can add some funny sound effects to make the video even more interesting. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about interesting video editing tricks in VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you in our next tips. Hope you enjoy. Bye!